Welcome to Batty Bricks. I'm Bat Squeak, and today we will be looking at something small, or micro, mighty micro. Now, here we have Batman and Catwoman. Let's first take a look at Batman. As you see here, we have a really cool Batmobile mini build with all this cool stuff and lights, a bat symbol. It's just a really great micro build. Next, let's take a look at Catwoman. As you see here, we have a micro version of Catwoman, and she has a really cool build. A tail, spoiler, wheel, cat eyes, and lights. Now, let's look at the figures. Here we have Catwoman, a very oversimplified build. Then we have Batman, another very silly face. However, he doesn't come with this detailed torso. I don't have the original torso anymore, so I replaced it with this one. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and, well, squeak out.